Hi everybody, my name is Pam and V is behind the camera again today.
Hey guys.
And today we are going to make a chickpea avocado salad. And I make this for any potluck, for picnics, as a side dish. Everybody loves this. Even your meat-eating friends will love this dish.
Okay, quick question. I see a few things I want to ask you.
Sure.
So I see that you have garlic ready and onions ready, right? So this is the kind of recipe that you can just wing it, right?
You can whip it up at the last minute.
Yeah.
And I was going to mention that a lot of grocery stores now have pre-chopped veggies in their deli section. And so like today, I just did not feel like messing with anything. So I bought me a can of pre-minced garlic, and I went to the counter and got me some red onion. This is about 1 red onion chopped, already chopped for me. So I don't have to do all the mess today. But what we do need to do is start. So I have 3 cans of garbanzos because I am making this for friends that are coming over today. So these are drained garbanzos, just 3 cans of it. I'm going to add 3 avocados, and I just do it in the skin.
So chopped avocado, not smushed.
Not smushed, just I usually try to, not really chopped, but I don't know, do you call it chopped when you're doing it in the skin? I do it like this. And that way it comes out in little chunks.
Look at you.
I guess you could take it out with a spoon and...
How do you take it out?
And chop it on the cutter. A spoon. I'll get a spoon here in a second.
I got you a tiny one right here.
That's all right, yeah. That'll work.
Look at you.
So I just cut them all in the skin, and then I can just dump it all into one bowl. So it's only takes me 1 bowl. And I probably shouldn't be doing this way, right? Because my hand is right underneath, so... Probably the professional way to do this is to take it out and cut it on a cutting board. But
really? I never do that. I do it in the
skin?
Yeah.
I was just thinking, here I am with a knife on camera. You know, you could easily cut
I've never done it in the skin.
You can easily
You haven't?
cut your hand.
That's how I always do it.
Yeah, I just cut the edge like this just so there aren't huge
chunks.
slices in there, you know, that it gets more chopped.
See, I feel that I can make the chunks more prettier when they're inside the skin. Like I do it a little diagonally.
Well, it doesn't make as much of a mess, and
yeah,
you know, getting it out. Then you've got the
kind of saves time.
Yeah,
and
it's slippery
dishes,
and stuff. So I just do it this way. All right, almost done, folks. So hang in there, hang with me.
Why a red onion?
It's pretty, and it has a little bit of a different flavor, but you could use any onion. I've used white onion before, but since I was getting it all pre-chopped anyway, I didn't have to mess with it, so I bought chopped
So it's
red
not
onion.
any hotter or...
I don't think so, but it's a little bit different flavor, but usually I will use whatever I have at home.
Now I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Now, what's the difference between red onion and the regular onion?
You mean, what's the difference?
I mean,
She just asked me?
Yeah. Is there a difference in the flavor or anything?
It's a little different, but I don't know that it's hotter. Like Sue was asking about the heat factor. I don't know that it's any hotter. And I think both work equally as well in this dish. But the purple onion, which I'll put it in now if you want to see, it's just prettier.
Yeah, it is. A lot of people say that the red onion is sweeter. I don't find it that way.
But you can get a white Vidalia onion, and that's really sweet.
Yeah.
You know, if that's what you like.
Yeah.
And that would be even sweeter than this onion.
Yeah.
But the purples you're using today because it adds color.
Mostly, yeah.
Yeah.
But I have used white before, and I have used Vidalia onions before, which are sweeter. And, you know, it all works. It all works, I'm telling you.
It's onion.
Have you ever tried celery?
You tried what?
Celery?
No, not in this dish.
Okay. Not the kind of
Flavor.
taste.
Yeah.
See, I don't like celery raw. I liked it cooked.
I don't mind it if
didn't
it's
use
in a
to.
salad.
Yeah. I didn't used to, but
Now,
I
didn't we
like
put
it.
it in your chickpea salad? See, I don't add it to my chickpea
See,
salad. Did we?
I did in mine, and I chop it up really, really small.
See, I add celery seed in my chickpea salad. I might need a bigger bowl. Okay, and I'm just going to add probably like a teaspoon of garlic in here. I'm trying to spread it out so that...
Which is the equivalent of
Probably 2
cloves?
cloves.
Okay.
Yeah. And
Or more. I always go for more.
You could add more if you want to, depending on what you like. I'm just going to add a little bit of pepper here. And I just got pepper all over your counter, V.
It's fine.
And I'm going to add just a little bit of salt.
Seems like you cooked. Although you just put everything together.
And let me add the limes so I get that over my avocado. And then I'm going to chop up some cilantro.
So are you putting some zest?
I'm going to add the zest of just one. Usually I do just one lime. And you don't want to get down to the
white part, the bitter
pith.
part.
Yeah, you just want the green on it.
That's a major flavor profiler. The zest.
And you can smell that immediately.
Yeah.
I do.
All the oils from the skin of the lime.
It smells really good.
Yeah. That's the other thing. If you want to replace fat, that's
Yeah. Or if you add
if you want to put flavor in there.
Yeah. And it will replace a lot of salt. If you don't want to add salt to your food, add a little bit of lime juice or lime zest or lemon zest or something like that.
See, I bump up my garlic. And when you bump up the garlic, you don't really need that much salt.
And I love garlic.
Yeah.
And it's good for you too.
Yeah.
I'm not as big a fan of onion as I am garlic. I like onion.
I love both.
I like the texture, especially in a salad, the crunch factor of onion. I do.
Okay, let me get all the goodness off. Oh, I need a...
What do you need?
Do you have a lime zester? I mean a lime squeezer juicer?
Yeah.
Is that what it's called? Just because it's a little bit easier for me to get it in the...
Here.
To get it in the salad. And remember before you... I guess I did squeeze pretty good. Remember before you zest your lime to make sure you rinse it. Wash it good.
Yeah.
Especially if it's not an organic lime. Although nowadays, I think in just about every grocery store, you can get organic fruits and veggies. So.
Yeah.
But I just want to get this lime on my...
So you use zest of one and you're juicing 2 limes. Mm-hmm. Okay.
If you want, if they're, depending on how...
Now, could you use lemons for this?
I wouldn't. I just think limes taste better.
Okay.
But in a pinch, if I don't have limes at home, I've used lime juice. From my refrigerator. It's not as good as fresh, but
yeah.
In a pinch, that'll work.
Did you know lime, the content of sugar in lime is way more than the content of sugar in lemon?
Is it?
Yeah.
I feel like I'm not getting this much juice out of here.
Now you are.
Yeah, I squeezed the two
That
together.
sounded kind of deadly for that lime, didn't it?
Okay. And the last thing I add is cilantro, and I'm telling you, I rinsed this off, the cilantro off under the water, but I'm just gonna, I usually, I don't know, however much you want. I am not real particular, and then I just will chop it up a little smaller, but I'm not gonna sit here and pick all these leaves off, so.
She used to knife like a professional, doesn't she?
No, not really.
Yeah, well, a lot better than I do.
And that's all I'm gonna do to that. My bowl. I'm overflowing the bowl.
All right, let's put it on video how you're gonna mix that.
I know. Normally what I would do is find myself a bigger bowl.
It's magic.
All right, I can find you one.
Oh, and maybe a bigger spoon.
Yeah, sure.
No bigger bowl, but I do have some decent spoons now to mix with. So we're going to wing this and see how, that's the challenge, to see how Pam can do mixing in this bowl.
We should make a hashtag out of it. Hashtag toss like Pam.
Hashtag I need a bigger bowl.
No bigger bowls.
Oh yeah, this is,
That's working.
now that it's mixing up, it's settling
See?
some. Now that I've got it partially mixed, I'm going to add just a little bit more salt and a little bit more pepper.
That is pretty. Mm-hmm. It's a pretty salad.
And I know my friends like avocado and everything.
See,
and
when I made this, I added tomatoes to mine.
It's vegan, it's gluten-free, so my gluten-free friends will be able to enjoy this. Anybody can have this salad. So it's great for picnics and stuff, especially in the summertime. It's nice and fresh. And
But what would you do about the avocados? Won't the avocados turn black? You want
there's
to...
plenty of lime in here, so they don't.
Okay.
The lime juice, will keep it from turning black.
Gotcha.
So this, I will keep leftovers. If there's any leftovers today, I will keep them. There, how does that look, everybody?
Perfect.
It's pretty.
Yeah.
Take a bite.
Okay, well, hold on. I got to get the smaller spoon now. Let me take the avocado. That's good. It's always good. I knew it was good. I make this all the time. All right, so now we are going to enjoy this salad. Remember to go check us out on Facebook. We are Kindred Vegans on Facebook. We post lots of articles and we have discussions over there. And if you want to see what we eat on a daily basis, go over to Instagram. We are K-Vegans on Instagram, and we post what we eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner over there on Instagram. And make sure you subscribe down below and like this video, give it a thumbs up, and we will see you all next time. Bye.